Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty Buzz with Lori. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our Embrace RF machine here. This does microneedling with radio frequency. So microneedling with radio frequency is all the craze right now. This is an amazing machine because of the depths that it can go to, as well as the heat energy that it uses in order to cause that shrink wrap effect with the skin. So what does that mean exactly? Basically with this machine, we use this little hand piece right here, and I actually have put one of my tips on it so that you can actually see the needles, and we'll use the foot pedal in order to cause it to come out. So basically what we're doing, Heidi, you can kind of zoom in over here on this little screen, and I'm going to switch it to 24 needles because in this machine, or in this handpiece, we've got 24 needles that protrude and retract in order to stimulate collagen, cause those microchannels, and also deliver that heat energy we were just talking about. So we can also adjust the depth. So I'm actually going to put it all the way up to 4 millimeters, which is the highest it'll go, and then I'm going to push the pedal and cause it to see how far those are out. Okay. And so when we're doing that, again, that heat energy is delivered directly to the same spot that those needles are coming out. And so it's causing a melting of the adipose, which is the fat layer. So that's how we get that shrink wrap effect. Just like most microneedlings, it's going to take 1 to 3 treatments in order to get a desired result. Always, as usual, we have to do a consult with you. We need to know what your concerns are, and is it realistic that Morpheus8 is going to be able to address your concerns. But what I love about this is the needles that come out, they have a silicone coating over them that actually protect the surrounding tissue that you're not trying to put the radio frequency on. It protects those. It's a thermal protection so that there's no thermal burns that can happen in that area. So literally whenever the microneedles come out, they go directly to wherever it is applied on the face, and the needles go down, and that's where the radio frequency heat energy is delivered to. So we typically do 3 to 4 passes on the skin. We're going to be doing different levels at different areas because, as you know, that your skin is different thicknesses all over the face, and then we have to be careful of those bony areas as well. So a lot of questions I get asked, or a lot of times I get asked the question, how comfortable is this treatment? That's a great question. Of course you want to know that. So we're going to numb you topically for this treatment for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then we're going to remove that and degrease the skin, and we're going to start our treatment. So whenever we start our treatment, we start at the deepest levels with the highest energy. I'll be doing some different techniques. So some of the things that you might treat with Morpheus8 would be that crepey skin because it has the skin tightening effect. We can also treat different types of scarring. Again, that's going to require a consultation to make sure that we can, get desired results. Another thing would be acne itself. So a lot of the doctors who've been using this technology for quite a few years have been saying that they actually like this better than Accutane treatment for those cystic type acne situations. So again, those are all going to require consultations, but to be able to avoid, a pretty strong medication and do it more natural is definitely, a more desirable thing. So this is a great machine. It also treats wrinkles and fine lines like the other microneedling does. But remember, this goes much deeper. Really, the only people who wouldn't be able to do it are maybe like a hemophiliac or someone who has metal implants. And the reason you wouldn't be able to do that is because of the radio frequency. We have to make sure that it's coupled onto the skin so we don't get any arcing from the radio frequency. And so if you've got metal implants anywhere in your face or neck area, then that's not going to work. Men also, I almost forgot, men, if you're having this treatment, you want to do a close shave. And the reason for that is that coupling. So we want to make sure that it's actually firmly pressed against the skin, and whenever there's hair or a beard or something like that, I can't get it. It's going to end up being extremely painful because of that arcing that you're going to get from the energy. So basically, again, if you're looking at doing this, it's a wonderful treatment. There is a little bit of discomfort with it, but for the most part, it's very doable, very tolerable. And we also offer Pronox for this too. So Pronox is laughing gas, and it makes it a little more fun to do the treatment, I guess. But no, it's also highly recommended, especially if you're going to do a series of 3 treatments. So anyway, it was fun talking to you guys about this today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call, 904-203-8282. Thanks for watching.